Welcome to the Thunderdome, where we do Odyssey, Torment, and Judgment whenever I want to. No, it's not actually a Thunderdome. It's just, my painting table in my house, where I open boxes of Magic cards. Because, I like gambling. And, well, I don't like going to casinos, but this is the closest to gambling I ever really get to. Yeah, it's alright. Light Burst. Tremble. Immobilizing Ink. Acceptable Losses. Another Timberland Ruins. I just love the art frame on the lands. Repel. That's a poor bear. Rabid Elephant. What is this? Becomes blocked. He gets +2/+2 until I'm turned. Oh, okay. Mystic Zealots. Words of Wisdom. Cartographer. Interesting. So gaining some wisdom, mapping out the world, kind of goes together. It's a townsfolk. Another Coffin Purge. Loquatus's Creativity is our first uncommon. Target player draws cards equal to the number of cards in his or her hand. Oh, okay. Skartatog. What is it? Sarkatog. I can't pronounce that. It's an Atog. Remove 2 cards from your graveyard from the game. It gets +1/+1 on a turn. Sacrifice an artifact. It gets +1/+1 until on a turn. Okay. Treetop Sentinel Bird Soldier. Flying protection from green. It's a 2/3. Yeah, it's a little overcosted. I mean, I guess protection from green back then was useful. And Lieutenant Kitar, a legend. So we can make a commander out of this. I might have to look this up. Flying, sacrifice the creature, remove target. Oh, no. Yeah. I don't think he makes a very good commander. Yeah, never mind. We won't. Maybe I'll put him in a bird deck. Let's see what Torment has to offer. Open. So I thought about doing like after this series, thought about doing like a Scourge Onslaught set series, but nah, their boxes are kind of expensive. We got the Skywing Aven, Shades Form, Partick Lancers, the Aven Trooper. This just reminds me of the 80s. I think I've said it a million times. More Fatigue. I got some sweet coffee. And it's basically called like the most caffeinated coffee that the gas station had. Basking Ruwala, I look so happy after I've drinking copious amounts of coffee. Enslaved Dwarf. Yeah. I'm not all for enslavement though. Ghostly Wings, Cabal Surgeon, more the terrifying squirrels. Flash of Defiance, a crazed Firecat. I'm not letting you in. Let's stay outside. Zombie Trailblazer. Ooh, I haven't seen. Does this look like a metal band cover to you? This looks like a metal band cover to me. Tap and untap zombie control. Target land becomes a swamp till end turn. Okay. Tap and untap zombie you control. Target creature gains swap. Oh, that's useful. And a Hypochondria, which is not a Cabal Coffers in the uncommon slot. I'm not even gonna read it. I'm sad. Sanger Vampire. Pack art. That is a pack art. Boom. Pack art Sanger Vampire. Probably not worth a lot. It's a classic Sanger Vampire. It's pretty good quality. It would be nice if it was in foil. I think it's probably not even worth $1. Let's see what we got. It is not on the $2 or more list. That's sad. Well, I mean, Sanger Vampire was everywhere, but it's not bad. Flavor win. All right. Wait a minute. What? Oh no. Oh no. I put cards in the wrong stack. Those go there. Those go there. And those go there. All right. Judgment. I almost forgot Judgment. I was going to stop the video at Torment. Nobody cares about Judgment. All right. Oh, another Riftstone Portal. Sweet. Is Riftstone Portal on my list of cards that are valuable? I don't think so. Let me check real quick. No, I don't see it. Oh, oddly enough, no, it's not. Well, boo-hoo. Wait a minute. This is like the exact same pack. Riftstone Portal. Okay, at least the Phantom Flock's different. And our rare is a Phantom Nantuko, which I think we already got, which is depressingly sad. Incest Spirit, so the Judgment is just kind of depressing. Keep watch. The Vines, that looks nice. She definitely works out. Border Patrol, haha, they won't attack us. The Ponghorn, a Scorcher. arcane teachings. Like, yes, they will solve the Rubik's Cube. More chain cage mail, and a bark ripper, and a mental note. Once again, even when I played Judgment way back in the day, it wasn't that exciting. Hope you all enjoy, and tune back in next time. Later!